Welcome. In this video, we'll build a fully typed to-do list application using React and TypeScript. This simple project will teach you typed state, interfaces, event handling, and conditional rendering, key skills for tech students and aspiring front-end developers. We import React and the useState hook to create components and manage state. We define an interface named task. Each task will have a number ID, a text string for the task description, and a Boolean value to track if it's completed. We begin the to-do component as a React functional component. Here we create a state variable called tasks, which is an array of task objects. It starts empty. We also create a state variable called newTask to track what the user types. Here's this function adds a new task. It trims the input, checks for empty values, creates a task object, updates the list immutably, and clears the input. This toggles a task's completed status by flipping its Boolean value when clicked. This handles user typing in the input box by updating the new task state. We return our interface. The container centers everything, and the heading labels the app as a React and TypeScript to-do list. This block renders the input field for typing tasks and the add button to call our addTask function. This section loops through all tasks with map. Each task is displayed as a list item. Clicking toggles its completion status, and completed tasks are shown with a line through them. We close the container, return, and end the todo component. Finally, we export the todo component so it can be imported and displayed in app.tx.s. And that's the complete walkthrough. You've created a fully typed to-do list in React with TypeScript. Along the way, you learned how to use interfaces for strong typing, manage state for lists and input, handle events, and apply conditional rendering. These are essential skills for building modern web apps and for excelling in tech interviews or front-end developer roles.